In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop. Let's dive right in and simplify your digital life. First things first, you'll want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. This little cloud icon is usually nestled in the lower right corner of your screen, just by the clock. Sometimes, if your system tray is packed with icons, you'll need to click a small upward arrow to reveal any hidden icons. It might take a moment to find, but once you spot that cloud icon, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the OneDrive menu, which provides several options. What we're interested in here is the Help and Settings option. Click on that to open a new list of options, and what you're looking for is the Settings option, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you've opened the OneDrive Settings window, you'll find yourself in the main hub where we'll be working. Across the top of this window, you will see a series of tabs. You'll want to navigate over to the Account tab. This tab is where you manage how OneDrive interacts with your PC. You can tweak account settings, view your storage space, and importantly, this is where you can unlink your PC from OneDrive to stop the syncing process. In the Account tab, you're going to find a button labeled Unlink this PC. This is the crucial step you need to take if you want to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop files. Go ahead and click on Unlink this PC. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. It's important to remember at this stage, unlinking will entirely stop the synchronization between OneDrive and your computer. However, don't worry about your existing files on OneDrive, they'll remain on your PC unless you decide to remove them manually. Once you've considered your decision and are ready to move forward, hit Confirm to finalize the unlinking. And just like that, your PC will no longer sync with OneDrive, effectively halting any future automatic uploads of your desktop files. This can be particularly useful if you're planning to migrate to another storage solution or simply want more local control over your files. And there you have it. You've now successfully stopped your desktop files from automatically syncing to OneDrive, granting yourself the freedom to decide what files get uploaded and when. Should you ever want to reconnect, the process is straightforward. Simply sign back into OneDrive and select the folders you want to sync. I hope you found this walkthrough both clear and helpful, and I appreciate your time today.